This is Kubrick's AI maintenance assistant, a chatbot we designed and built to dramatically reduce aircraft downtime and maintenance delays. Every minute a plane is grounded costs money. For a fleet like the Boeing 777, annual delay costs can exceed $25 million through lost utilization, cascading crew and gate changes, and even passenger disruption. When we first started working with airline maintenance teams, one thing became clear. Technicians weren't short of skill, they were very short of time and access to the right information. A single fault could send them searching through five or more systems, OEM manuals, parts data, MEL references, flight history, before they could even begin troubleshooting. It was slow, fragmented, and heavily dependent upon experience. Built entirely on Databricks, our assistant brings together all those data sources and delivers exactly what the technician needs instantly. Through a simple iPad interface they can trust on the tarmac. Here's how it works. When a fault appears, say an ICAS message, the aircraft's version of a check engine light, the technician opens the chatbot. From there, they can trigger a guided workflow specific to that fault, or they can just ask a question in natural language. If they follow the workflow, the assistant, which is powered by Kubrick's orchestration layer and Databricks vector search, automatically gathers the aircraft's details and flight history, dispatchability limits and delay factors, relevant historical defect trends, and the exact troubleshooting procedure from the aircraft maintenance manual. It all happens within seconds, clearly formatted, sourced, and tailored to that specific aircraft and fault. Or they can simply ask a question, like, is there a temporary fix allowed for a damaged hydraulic hose? The assistant searches across connected manuals, retrieves the verified procedure, and presents it with all notes, cautions, and tool requirements, formatted for quick decision making in the field. By cutting diagnostic time and improving accuracy, Kubrick's AI maintenance assistant turns minutes saved on the ground into millions in measurable value, all powered by Databricks Unity Catalog, vector search, and Databricks models, and brought to life by Kubrick's aviation solutions team, combining data engineering, AI delivery, and deep operational insight. Because at Kubrick, we don't just build data solutions, we build with the people who use them.